So recently a friend of mine mentioned a speech-to-text app that really works for Mac, and I think it's also available for Windows now. And I would love to share it with you today because I use it a lot and I think it will save you hours of typing every day. It's called WhisperFlow. It's this app. And I can quickly demo it to you. So if I tap in FN on my keyboard, here it starts listening, and I can just talk blah, 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 blah. And I can also pause for a very long time, say nothing. Then continue to type with speech. And you see it works very fast. And I can also, for example, talk in my native Dutch language. Laat me even zien of je dit verstaat. Laat me even zien of je dit verstaat. So it can quickly understand and switch between languages. It works very well and it saves me a lot of time today. So I think every one of you should use this tool. I think it's the best tool in the market now. It's free. I think only if you use it a lot, it will start to delay a little bit. So it's a little bit less fast, but that's for now. I used it already for 2 months and I can keep using it for free. It also has a dictionary function. So this saves words I use a lot. It saves all your transcripts or all the things you have said over time. I think you can also take notes here, but I especially use it to just quickly type emails like in a percent of the time I would normally do it. So maybe, or if I, for example, create a Claude prompt, I type FN, hello, this is a test to show viewers of this video that WhisperFlow works very well and that it's very easy and fast. I can just keep talking and switch over from using the FN tab over and over again. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you will start using it as well. Bye.